We got a 2019 Dodge Challenger V6 GT in sexy red. Got custom wheels. Look at the custom wheels. They look good on this sucker. There it is right here. Got custom sides, custom rear valence, not valence, rear glass cover. This is what it sounds like before, guys. Here's sound decibels on it. Right at 87. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna take it and take off the rears and put some NETAMI twists. 2019 Dodge Challenger V6 GT, done up in nice, sexy red. And then it's got its baby brother or older brother, whatever you want to say. Dodge Charger on this side in sexy red too with regular wheels. But anyways, back to the Challenger. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. Factory converter, factory X pipe 2 1/4, factory mids right there. And then we took off the rears and replaced them with some NETAMI spirals there and there. He didn't want a lot of sound, he just wanted a clean tone. There's a NETAMI name upside down. There's a NETAMI name straight up. And the part number on it is 1017. They're 2 1/4 NETAMI spirals there and there. And then it's finished off into the stock bumper, as you guys can see, and the stock rear valence. We didn't change any of that up. The rear resonators that were on it, that we took off right there and replaced them with the NETAMIs. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. This is after, guys. Do we get a thumbs up? It's clean. Here's sound decibels. Right at 98. Crazy. Let it idle. You guys can see on idle, you can't even hear it. Go ahead. You want louder? Yeah, it's got a nice idle to it now. You can actually hear it idling, you know? He likes it. That's what we like to hear. Wow, it's got a nice deep tone to it. NETAMI twists. Guys here on there. This is what it sounds like before, guys. Here's sound decibels on it. Right at 87. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna take it and take off the rears and put some NETAMI twists. Do we get a thumbs up? It's clean. Here's sound decibels. see on idle, you can't even hear it. Go ahead. What do you think? See? Now you can hear it. That's perfect. Here's sound decibels. Again. One more. So it's at peak is 104, but on normal it's 95. NETAMIs, twists, stock mids. Wow. Give you guys a double header. And this one's true dual straight cut. Listen to this beast. He's gonna come back, we're gonna make it a little bit quieter for him.